Am I the only one that didn't know keeping garden tools clean can actually make gardening easier? Maintaining your garden tools is crucial for a thriving garden. First up, cleaning. After each use, give your tools a quick rinse or wipe down. This prevents rust and buildup. Keep a rag, a brush and steel wool handy. Next, storage. Store your tools in a dry location, preferably hanging. This keeps them rust-free and prevents damage. Don't forget about lubrication. Use multi-purpose oil on pruning shears and other moving parts. Avoid using olive oil, it gums up over time. Now, a pro tip: the sand oil bucket. Fill a bucket with sand mixed with multi-purpose oil. Storing your tools in this will keep them clean, sharp and rust-free, perfect for overwinter storage. Sharpening is key. Regularly sharpen your tools with a sharpening stone or file. Sharp tools make clean cuts, which are healthier for your plants. And don't neglect the handles. Sand and oil wooden handles to prevent splinters and prolong their life. Rust happens. To remove it, use sandpaper, steel wool or a wire brush. For tougher rust, soak tools in a vinegar and kosher salt solution for 1-3 days, then scrub with a stiff brush. Barkeeper's Friend is also great for quick rust removal, and there you have it. Follow these steps and your garden tools will be in top shape for all your spring gardening needs. Happy gardening!